Yeah, man.
All right, go on.
Jermaine Thomas, coach McGrath High.
All right, Mr. Thomas, you get the 3 points, 4-1 victory. Definitely see the team going out for the 5 in the latter stage of the game. And what are your thoughts on this performance from your team?
Good, I think we started well, even though we missed a couple of early chances. We got 3 early goals and then we kind of controlled the game. But I think we could have capitalized some more on some missed chances. Nonetheless, the guys played well. I mean, you get 4 goals in a game, you've got to be grateful. But I think second half, we could have demonstrated a little more game control. And if we had done that, I think it would have been a far better game. But they're kids, they're learning, and competition experience is totally different. This is just the second game, so I'm thinking that they'll get better as the round progresses.
In the latter stage of the game, I see a few players going on for cramps and those things. Is that a fitness issue, or just general cramps players?
What is going on now is that we're having a lot of rain. Times are a bit cooler. As a result of that, they're not going to feel as thirsty as they would normally be when it is hot. So what we have to do now as backroom staff is to really encourage them to drink a whole lot of fluids, keep hydrated, and then that should get rid of the cramp. But fitness now, they're okay.
All right, and congrats again, coach, on the victory, and well done.
Yeah, man, thanks much.
All right.